Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to change my friend request to followers on Facebook. Without further ado, let's get started. The first thing we're gonna need to do is to open up our Facebook app and then go to our profile. Now, as you can see, I have only 2 friends here on my Facebook account. Now, we're going to change that to followers. Now, click the 3 dots beside the edit profile. Now, go to turn on professional mode and just click turn on. Now, adjust everything to the way you want. After that, we can go back to my profile as you can see, my friends now turned into followers. I hope you learned something today guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.